Dragon Fruit Lassi or Dragon Fruit Yogurt Smoothie, a very delicious and nutritious drink which can be made at home. Today we are going to make Dragon Fruit Lassi or Dragon Fruit Yogurt Smoothie. First, cut the dragon fruit. Then make a slit in the outer skin. Peel off the outer skin and take the fleshy inner skin. Take half the dragon fruit. Put in the dragon fruit into the grinder. Close and grind well. Now the dragon fruit has been ground. Pour in 500 ml of yogurt. Put in 2 spoons of sugar. Mix. Close and grind and blend. Now the dragon fruit lassi or dragon fruit yogurt smoothie is ready and can be served. Serve the lassi into the glass. This is the final dragon fruit lassi or dragon fruit yogurt smoothie. A very easy and nutritious drink which can be easily made at home.